Have you ever wondered what happens when a beloved vehicle gets a makeover? Picture this. A car that's been a trusted companion on countless journeys, suddenly getting a fresh look and new features. That's exactly what's happening with the Honda Passport. Imagine you're driving down a scenic road, your Honda Passport smoothly gliding over the terrain. Now think about that same vehicle undergoing a transformation, emerging with a more rugged and bold design. Intriguing, right? Well, that's the exciting story unfolding for the 2026 Honda Passport. Since its reintroduction in 2019, the Honda Passport has carved out a unique spot in the SUV market, nestled perfectly between the compact CR-V and the larger three-row Pilot. But just as you've grown accustomed to its familiar presence, Honda is ready to shake things up with a major redesign for the 2026 model year. Honda recently dropped a tantalizing teaser for the upcoming 2026 Passport Trail Sport, giving us just a glimpse of what's to come. This sneak peek suggests a more rugged, adventurous look that aims to set the Passport apart from its larger sibling, the Pilot. Imagine it standing tall, with a bolder stance and a design that exudes confidence. While specifics are still under wraps, there's buzz about what might lie under the hood. The new Passport is likely to carry forward the Pilot's V6 engine and platform. But there's speculation about the addition of a turbocharged four-cylinder engine or even a hybrid powertrain. This could be Honda's way of competing fiercely with rivals like the Jeep Grand Cherokee, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Kia Sorento. What makes this redesign even more compelling is that it marks the second generation of the two-row Passport. It's set to make its debut at dealerships in early 2025, with an official unveiling expected by the end of 2024. Pricing is anticipated to start around $45,000, with higher-end trims potentially reaching up to $51,000. Although the exact details are still under wraps, it's likely Honda will retain the current trim structure and might introduce new ones, much like they did with the Pilot. As we await more information, stay tuned for updates on crucial aspects like engine specifications, transmission options, performance metrics, fuel economy, interior features, cargo capacity, infotainment systems, safety features, and warranty coverage. This new Passport promises to be an exciting addition to the two-row SUV market, blending rugged styling with advanced technology and dependable performance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.